Hi, hello, Sarah here, and I'm back, finally. I feel awkward sitting in front of the camera as it's been a while. Thankfully, my facial spasm has disappeared, but because of a side effect from surgery, my facial movements are still a bit off. Please disregard and focus on my sewing. This video is about the Tanita top, one of the new patterns from Fibre Mood. This will be more like a pattern intro video and include some short sew-along clips as it's a super simple pattern and even simpler to make. But the results are so lovely. If you decide to make one, I'm certain that you will not be able to stop yourself from making more for yourself and for others. The Tanita top features a wide, graceful boat neckline and lovely gathered sleeves that hit at just the right length beside your waist. And the elastic in the sleeves and hem makes this top super comfy. The Tanita top is a charming top that is fun and satisfying to make and gives you a chance to work on some key elements in garment sewing. I'm planning on making a few more sew-along videos featuring other beginner-friendly top patterns. So if that's something you'd like to see, please stay tuned. I want to take a moment to highlight the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons. If you like this video, please give all three a click to help grow this amazing sewing therapy community. Let's get started! And that's how to sew the Tanita top by Fibre Mood. It's a simple pattern that's simple to make, yet produces a beautiful top. This top can be made in a variety of fabrics, in a variety of length, that would create quite the collection of Tanita tops. What did you think of this top? I would love to hear your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. And one more highlight of the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons. Please click all three to see more like it. I hope you love your new Tanita top. I will see you on my next video. 안녕!